insect pest and the damage caused by the pests. There are three types of pests. First, the pests, insect pests with mouth parts of cutting and chewing or cutting and chewing type of mouth parts. Second, the pests with piercing and sucking type of mouth parts. Third, the pests of that type that can cause, or they are the vectors of pathogens. They can cause the disease and destroy the plant. First, the pests with chewing and cutting type of mouth parts. These can be adult and larva, generally larva. Larvae are voracious eaters and they can cut the soft part of plants and chew them and damage the plant and cause damage to the plant. They eat the leaves and that are responsible for the photosynthesis, and indirectly they can cause the damage to the plants. Adults like beetles are also with the mouth parts of cutting and chewing type, and they can also cause the damage to the plants. Second, mouth parts, piercing and sucking type of mouth parts. Piercing and sucking type of mouth parts, they can pierce and suck the sap of the plant. Third, the insects that cause the disease, or they are the vectors of disease. Piercing and sucking type of mouth parts, the pests without toxic saliva and with toxic saliva. And the damages by the pests that are vectors of pathogens. These are extremely harmful, and very small number of infective individuals may be responsible for the severe outbreak of disease. Disease controlled by destruction of vectors is very difficult. These pests are of two types: indirect vectors and direct vectors. The parts of plant damaged by pests are, there are 6 categories. First, sown seeds and seedlings. Second, fruits and seeds. Cereal these are wheat and stored grains. Beetles and their larvae can bore the seed and eat the inside part of the grain. Flowers and birds. Blister beetles chew the petals of many plants. Anther eater pollen beetles are also evident. Leaves. The leaf margin notched, irregularly eaten, regularly cut away, galled, and are regular activity of different larvae of insects and adult mollusks. Sometimes these are young insects, immature insects with mouth parts of piercing and sucking type. They suck the sap and damage the plant. Stems. Stem borers are common examples in paddy, jute, and vegetables. They bore the stem and damage the tissue of the stem. This is larva with cutting and chewing type of mouth part, and this is the part damaged by larva. Roots and tubers. Roots of economic importance, tubers, etc., are severely attacked by various pests. These are also the pests, and this is leaf damaged by pests. So there are 6 categories. First, sown seed and seedlings. Second, fruit and seeds. Third, leaves, birds. Fourth, stem. Flowers and birds. And sixth, root.